Police Department, City of New York, aide to the Grand Marshal, Desmond P. Stokes. Desmond was born in '64 in New York City to parents. Michael emigrated from the small town of Killawalla, County Mayo, and his mom, Victoria Niebüller, came from Basenhead, Canton St. Gallen in Switzerland. Like many Irish captives for generations before him, Desmond joined the New York Police Department in '85 after spending the first 10 years career as a police officer in the 28th Precinct in the Organised Crime Control Bureau and its narcotic division. He was promoted to the rank of detective in '95. In 25 years since his promotion, he has worked his way all the way up to detective first grade. And if you're not quiet down there, I'm going to send him down amongst us. Amongst the fraternal organisations that he's a member of, Desmond is the current president of the New York Police Department, Manhattan, Staten Island Holy Name Society. For the last 19 years, he's been a member of the Knights of Columbus. With the love of traditional music, he has joined the Friendly Sons of St. Patrick. He is a communicant of St. Kevin's Parish in Flushing, Queens, where he resides with his lovely wife of 27 years, Kelly Nee Brady, from Sunnyside, Queens, and his sons, Daniel, Patrick, and daughter, Delaney Maria. There he goes, ladies and gentlemen, your Police Department, City of New York, aide to the Grand Marshal, Desmond Stokes.